Hello YouTube. In this video I'm gonna tell you 3 tricks to optimize Magento 2 Core Web Vitals. Let's go. Number 1. Use a cache warmer. What is a cache warmer? We all know that Magento uses full page cache to keep time to the first byte low. Full page cache works in a way that the first request is slow, all the next ones are fast. Well, a cache warmer is a script or an extension that performs those slow first requests. What I'm using with my clients is a simple bash script that cycles through all categories and the top 1000 pages. Number 2. Log full page cache so it's only refreshed once a week. Magento 2 or Adobe Commerce clear full page cache for some or all pages regularly. You might want to stop it and flush FPC only once a week. That way your time to first byte across the whole website will drop significantly. How to place an FPC log? Well, if you're storing FPC on disk, find this file and add return to top of all clear and clean functions like this. Clean full page cache every week with the following cron comment. Number 3. Convert all images to WebP or AVIF. The same image in WebP or AVIF format might be 10 times less in size. Lighter images lead to quicker, largest contentful paint, and that leads to better Web Vital score. How do you move to WebP? There are several ways. You can manually convert all images with CWebP command line tool, or you can use an extension from Magento Marketplace and have it converted automatically. That's all for today, folks. Follow these 3 steps to optimize Magento Core Web Vitals. Share your experience in the comment section. If you need more information, do not hesitate to check my 21 steps to better Magento 2 Core Web Vitals. You can find a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.